So why learn nose pivots and stoppies for tight switchbacks? There are many reasons. Fun and style is way up there, but let's get into more details. Thomas is going to share a few of his thoughts and also provide a little bit of a tease for what's coming up in this course.
If you have the choice between a normal switchback and a switchback with the pivot, for most turns both techniques will work, but if you do the pivot, it would help you to stay on the line you really want to do and be more safe while doing it. So to demonstrate the difference between the switchback and the switchback with a pivot, I'm going to ride the same two switchbacks without the pivot now, and you're going to see it doesn't actually look easier at all. So once you know how to pivot, it's definitely the safer option. So riding this switchback without the pivot makes me get into a much more awkward position because it's really hard to get the rear wheel around, and I'm getting way steeper than when I would do the pivot. I personally think that switchbacks with pivots are something we do on a regular basis here in Europe because our trails are mostly just hiking paths. They're not actually built for riding. And what happens if mountain bikers ride like hiking paths a lot is what we see right here. So the original path was going down this way, all around and then back, but most riders don't put the effort in it and just take the shortcut. And usually we just try to stay on the original path and therefore we might need to do the switchbacks with the pivot. If you want to put some extra style into your switchbacks, you can try to extend the pivot and ride on the front wheel through the whole switchback. If the switchback actually fits, you can be faster by using this more advanced technique.